Hello YouTubers, my name is Ryan from Arizona State University, and I'd like to raise awareness to the Arizona youth about a growing problem: weeds. Weeds are just like any other plant, except for they can be a nuisance. They cause many ecological and economical problems. Weeds can take over an area and outcompete native vegetation, which is important for habitat structure. Soil may erode faster, fires may burn where they historically haven't, and it may cause people many headaches. Some are animal pollinated and dispersed. They use generalist insects, which are open opportunity insects that travel between plants of different kinds. They also attach themselves to animals' fur and also your shoes. Around Phoenix, you may find a lot of weeds in the Asteraceae family. These weeds produce anti-herbivore compounds which repel herbivores such as rabbits and small mammals, as well as produce poisonous toxins for livestock. Species such as this Ambrosia ambrosioides, commonly called canyon ragweed, is wind pollinated. So it has very fine pollen that is scattered throughout the air, and people with allergies really do not like this plant. Yellow star thistle, or Centaurea solitalis, is very poisonous to cattle and horses and causes the incurable chewing disease. Taraxacum officinalis, also known as dandelions, disperse via the wind, catching the fine pappus and lifting the cane into the air. These are also pollinated by generalist insects, as you can see many different types of insects like dandelions. Chenopodaceae is a very important family to Arizona's deserts. They provide food and shelter for desert birds and small mammals. They are related to the Cactaceae, and both share similar characteristics which allow them to inhabit desert environments. These plants use C4 photosynthesis, which cactuses also use. This prevents water loss during the day. Atriplex species are very important for wildlife food and habitat. This family also uses wind and generalist insects for pollination. They also use wind to disperse their seeds, as some create tumbleweeds, such as this Salsola tragris. Members of Chenopodaceae can be identified through their salt-secreting glands on the leaves, which give them a grayish look and salty taste. Hopefully you and your family are better educated about weeds now, and next time you're out in the wilderness or around town, you can be aware and identify some of the common symptoms habitats may be exhibiting. The more you know. Weeds can take over an area. Weeds can take care. Provide many of the same resources to desert inhabiting. Weeds cost a lot of money to remove, and some can only be managed instead of completely eradicated, because there's a snake right there.